How can we improve energy efficiency in buildings and homes? There are many ways to improve energy efficiency in buildings and homes, ranging from simple behavioral changes to major renovations. Here are some key areas to consider. Reducing heating and cooling needs. Sealing air leaks. Sealing gaps around windows, doors, and other openings prevents drafts and keeps conditioned air inside. Adding insulation. Proper insulation in walls, ceilings, and attics prevents heat transfer and reduces energy needs for heating and cooling. Upgrading windows and doors. Energy-efficient windows and doors have improved insulation values and reduce heat loss. Utilizing natural daylight. Optimize window placement and maximize natural light penetration to decrease reliance on artificial lighting. Smart thermostat. Investing in a smart thermostat allows for programming heating and cooling schedules for optimal efficiency. Optimizing lighting. Switching to LED lighting. LEDs are highly energy efficient and offer long lifespans compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. Using daylight sensors. These sensors automatically adjust lighting based on available natural light. Installing occupancy sensors. These sensors turn lights off in unoccupied rooms, saving energy. Improving equipment efficiency. Choosing Energy Star appliances. Look for Energy Star certified appliances that use less energy while maintaining performance. Maintaining equipment regularly. Regular maintenance ensures equipment operates efficiently and prevents unnecessary energy consumption. Considering heat pumps. Heat pumps provide both heating and cooling in a single unit and can be significantly more efficient than traditional systems. Renewable energy integration. Installing solar panels. Solar panels generate electricity from sunlight, reducing reliance on the grid and potentially eliminating energy bills. Utilizing geothermal energy. Geothermal systems tap into the Earth's natural heat for heating and cooling, offering a sustainable and efficient option. Exploring microwind turbines. In windy locations, microwind turbines can generate additional electricity. Behavioral changes. Unplugging electronics when not in use. Standby power consumption can add up, so unplug electronics when not needed. Washing clothes in cold water. Most of the energy used in washing clothes goes towards heating the water. Using cold water reduces energy consumption significantly. Air drying clothes. Whenever possible, air drying clothes instead of using an electric dryer saves energy. Shortening shower times. Shorter showers reduce hot water usage, saving energy and water. Conclusion. Remember, the most effective approach often involves a combination of these strategies. The specific actions you take will depend on your budget, climate, existing infrastructure, and personal preferences. You can also consider conducting an energy audit to identify areas of specific concern and prioritize improvements. By taking action, you can contribute to a more sustainable future and enjoy the benefits of lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment.